Hello everyone, today we'll be presenting our case study 2 presentation. Myself, Jayeshi Selvakumar, and my teammate is Kesav Sudhi Kesavin. So, the question is, imagine a simplified system for managing shapes in a graphical application and implement three classes, which is shape, circle, and also rectangle. So, let's see. They asked to create an abstract class called shape with an abstract method calculate area bracket and also include a non-abstract method display info that prints I am a shape. So this is the code that we did, which is abstract class shape, public abstract double calculate area, public void display info, system.out.print and I am a shape. So we define an abstract class shape that serves as a blueprint in a different shapes, and also it has an abstract method which is calculate area bracket, which any subclass must implement. So this method will actually calculate an area of the shape, and it also includes a concrete method which is display info bracket that prints a generic message that they asked to print, which is I am a shape, to the console, and subclasses can override this method. So next is circle. So circle class, which is a subclass of the shape, they asked to create a class called circle that inherits from shape, includes a constructor that takes a radius as a parameter, and they also asked to implement the abstract method calculate area to calculate and return the area of the circle using this formula, which is area pi times radius times radius radius squared of 2, and also override the display info method to print I am a circle. Okay, so the circle class inherits from shape and represents a circle, and it has a private field radius to store the circle radius, and it also has a constructor that accepts the radius parameter and initialize the radius field, as you see in the code, which is class circle extends shape, and also private double radius public circle double radius, this dot radius equals to radius. So it also overrides the calculate area, which is public double calculate area bracket, and the calculate area is to provide a specific implementation for calculating the area of the circle. And also the formula that we used is return math pi times radius semicolon, which is pi times radius as they have given in the question. And also this we have displayed the info. We have used the display info method to print the message, which is I am a circle. Okay, so the next will be rectangle. Okay, they asked to create a class called rectangle that inherits from shape and include a constructor that takes the length and width as a parameter. Implement the abstract method calculate area to calculate and return the area of the rectangle using the formula, which is area equals to length times width, and override the display info method to print I am a rectangle. So as you see, this is our code, which is class rectangle extends shape, private double length, private double width, public rectangle, double length, double width, this dot length equals to length, this dot width equals to width. So the rectangle class also inherits from shape and represents a rectangle. Okay, which you can see the class rectangle extends shape, which is inherits from the shapes, and also it has private fields, which is length and also width, which stores in the rectangle's dimension, and it also has a constructor that accepts length and width parameters to initialize these fields, and also it overrides the calculate calculate area bracket methods to provide a specific implementation for calculating the area of a rectangle using formula length times width. As you see in the code, we have attached the public double calculate area and the formula below it, and also the display info bracket below that is a method that is overridden to print I am a rectangle, same as the circle shape. Okay, that's all from me. I'll pass to Kesavasuri.
Hello everyone, my name is Kesavasuri Kesavan. So now I'm going to present about the polymorphism part. So how did we do this part in the code? So we create another class calling space utility to implement static method, and then the value for radius and length and width will be input by user, passing value of radius, length and width while creating the objects. Display the content from display info method. Create a function called print area info method that takes a result by calling the calculate area method as a parameter and prints both areas. This space shape utility class has a static method calling print area info, which accepts a space object to call its display info method, and it will print the area using calculate area method. So this is our final code, which is the class main. So in this code, the program will ask for the radius of the circle and the length and width of the rectangle. So then display their information and area. It will display the area and type of each shape by using polymorphism. So this is our final output. So as a user, we enter the radius for circle, length for rectangle, and also the width for rectangle. Then the code will display their information and area. Thank you.